precipitation variation. So we'll move towards the next presenter. He's Khabar Abbas, again from Bahauddin Zakariya University. In next 10 minutes, he will be talking about assessment of climate change impact uh, on productivity of cotton wheat using DSS-80 model. You are Mr. Khabar?
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. Khabar, please introduce yourself and
I am Khabar Abbas from Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan. My topic is assessment of climate change impact on productivity of cotton wheat using DSAT model.
okay. Khabar, can you please in your PowerPoint go to the presentation mode in your PowerPoint? Go
Okay,
to the
sir.
presentation mode.
Here is presentation mode.
It is not yet visible over here. Okay, please go ahead. Yes, now it is fine.
This content are introduction, cotton wheat objective, methodology, result discussion, cotton climate change assessment, wheat climate change assessment, and conclusion. Here, introduction. Pakistan has a great potential for producing our type of crop. Agriculture contribute 19.3% to gross domestic product. Here is agriculture is the main source of earning income and secure food for a large population. There are three main chief cropping system in Pakistan like cotton wheat, rice wheat, and mixed wheat. Next is cotton जो है cotton production worldwide 2019-20. Cotton is grown mostly in Punjab, some part of KPK and Sindh province. Lifeline for textile industry. Cotton contributes 5.5% value addition in agriculture and 1% to gross domestic product. The cultivated area of cotton crop in Pakistan is 2.7 million hectare. Cotton production is 11.94 million bales, GOP 2019. Here is some for wheat. Wheat is a stable and crop most of the people. It is world mostly wide cultivated crop and occupies 22% cultivated area. It is major crop of Asia, USA, Canada, and leading crop for here is a leading crop for wheat contribute 91 points in agriculture value addition. Here is objective to assess the effect.
Please
Yes.
again share your presentation. At the moment we are seeing you. Your
Okay,
presentation is not visible.
Okay, sir.
And keep your mic a little bit away from your mouth.
Sorry, is it visible? Here is
Not yet.
objective.
When you click the share screen button, then there will be a few windows. Select the first window.
Yes, I also share. Here is visible, sir.
If anybody can see, I cannot see this presentation. Faraz and
no, it's not visible here.
So please unshare your screen and then share again.
Okay. Sir, now visible?
Yes, now it's fine. Please make a presentation. Change it to presentation.
Here is methodology. Methodology में DSAT model calibration and validation using crop management data, soil data, weather data, and these simulate all data. And then we use seasonal analysis tool for climate change impact using baseline data and climate scenario using RCP 8.5. Here is result and discussion. First of all, we use calibrate and validate DSAT model using best treatment nitrogen level 180 kilogram per hectare for calibration and validation like census date, maturity date, leaf area index, yield, and total biomass. Here is we use, and then next is cotton climate change assessment. Here we use different GCM model to predict climate future scenario to predict yield using cotton and wheat model. Here we use and baseline data and different GCM model to predict yield. And next is we use different draw relationship between seed cotton yield and temperature in different scenarios. And next is for wheat climate change assessment. Here we use wheat model and use same different GCM to predict and different yield for a future climate scenario. And here is again we use for grain yield and temperature for wheat, draw different relationship between average temperature and grain yield in different years to make different scenario RCP 8.5. Here is a conclusion. First of all, we calibrate and validate model for cotton and wheat, and percentage of error for cotton 8.73% and percentage error for wheat is 7.40. That is mean well and good. If percentage error less than 10, then it's mean model calibrate well and validate well. Then we show climate projection show increase in temperature 0.7 to 2.5 degree would reduce cotton yield 12 to 58% cotton yield, and increase in temperature 0.9 to 2.1 degree centigrade average temperature would reduce wheat yield 15 to 20%. And the outcome of this study show the decreasing trend of cotton wheat yield due to increase in temperature and irregular pattern of rainfall has a negative impact on agriculture production and a negative impact on input use efficiency. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khavar Abbas, for your presentation again on the similar topic. What will be the impact of the climate change on another crop like cotton? And you were speaking from Multan area. Next, our presenter is